It was a beautiful holiday weekend here in West Michigan, filled with lots of sunshine and high temperatures. But of course, all good things must come to an end. So thank you to Wendy for this photo of some dark clouds moving in over Comstock Park this afternoon. If you have a picture you want to share with us, you can always email it to us or share it on our Fox 17 Facebook page. All that information right there on your screen.
Yeah, so a day where we saw 90-degree temperatures, but also, Kevin, some rain. So a real mixed bag for us today.
Yeah, and that rain, most of it's out of here. A true story there about that Comstock Park photo as well. Our boss called me about the time they heard some thunder out there because he was in Comstock Park at the high school doing some fitness workout or maybe a run around the field or something. He says, I can hear the thunder. What's going on? I says, it's about 2 miles to your west. You'll be fine. They never had anything crop up, or at least I never heard from them. So Brooks, hopefully get your workout in and you stay dry. But we did have some scattered showers and thunderstorms about the area. Those were all driven by the heat of the day and the sunshine. I said when the sun would set, they would go away. And indeed, that is the case. As we look at our, by the way, good evening, everybody. As we look at Grand Rapids, we're quiet out there right now. In the weather headlines, shower, thunderstorm chances increase. A little bit better chance tomorrow versus what we had today. And then it becomes more likely on Thursday because the front's coming in here. More widespread showers, probably a few thunderstorms Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, and Thursday night. That goes in early Friday morning. 2 more muggy days. Keep the AC running, and then sharply cooler by Friday and beyond. How much cooler? How about highs in the 60s for the weekend with some sunshine and lows in the 40s? Yeah, huge change coming here. Live Doppler radar, this was lighting up with lightning strokes and some heavy rain as we went through the late afternoon and the evening hours. Couple of sprinkles up here through Oceana County and Newaygo County, and that is about all I have right now. We'll generally be dry through the overnight hours. 75 in Grand Rapids right now, 70 in Kalamazoo and Coldwater, 74 in Muskegon and Fremont. Most lows will fall into the upper 60s, and it's still going to be warm and muggy. Here's a telltale sign of that. These are dew point temperatures, a measure of moisture in the air. The higher the dew point temperature, the stickier it feels outside, or the more moisture there is in the atmosphere. You see, that's why these rain showers really squeeze out the moisture. And there's some torrential brief rainfall with some of these showers. We're still going to see that the next couple of days. You get caught under one of those, you're going to get wet. But when we get dew point temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, there's a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. You could feel the stickiness and the humidity out there. Those won't come down until we get into probably Friday. Had a tornado watch box out there in Iowa. All of this is going up to the north. That's missing us, and this is fizzling out as well. We'll see clear to partly cloudy skies overnight, but warm and muggy. As we get into tomorrow, partly sunny, warm, some scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. A lot of the day will be dry, but we'll see that bubble up again, especially during the afternoon. Highs, we're going to scale back the high temperatures. As Doug said, we got around 90 degrees. Not going to happen tomorrow, probably around 84 because of the extensive cloud cover there, and we'll have a south wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour out on Lake Michigan. Look at the Lake Michigan water temperatures. These were in the 50s over the last few days. They have literally just popped up into the mid to upper 60s. That lakeshore water is warming up. Waves tomorrow for you boaters running about 1 foot or less with a south to southwest wind at about 5 to 15 knots. So here's where we're going with our Future Track HD. We go through the day tomorrow. You can see the way those showers and some thunderstorms crop up tomorrow afternoon with the heating of the day again, and that sunshine that's out a little more widespread tomorrow than they were today. But I think there's still a lot of areas that'll be missed. As we go into Wednesday night and Thursday, well, once the sun sets, we lose that energy and all that that's going on in the atmosphere again. We'll see mainly cloudy skies on Thursday. This low gets a little bit closer. Look at the swath of moisture it brings up, and there's a cold front cutting in here as well. So look for more widespread showers on Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, Thursday night. Probably a few thunderstorms rolled in there. We're not looking for severe weather. At least we're not at an outlook for that anyways, and we're not really looking for that. And then as we go into Friday, there may be a few showers lingering on Friday morning, even though this model isn't showing it. But behind that, I think we'll begin to cool off, and well, we will cool off, but in the afternoon, we'll probably see some sunshine. And then, of course, that cooler air is going to work on in here. So how much rain are we talking about? Here's future rainfall from our European forecast model. We'll start this at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning and go to 9 a.m. on Friday morning. About a half inch to about an inch of precipitation. And our GFS model, the latest one, here's the 0Z run for you weather geeks out there, showing about 4/10, maybe a half an inch, 6/10 of an inch is what we're looking for. So we're getting a model consensus, about a ½ inch, maybe 6/10, 3/4 of an inch, somewhere in there, all the way from this system into Friday. Unless you get stuck under one of those significant thunderstorms, you're going to see a little bit more than that. So we talked about tomorrow, 79 on Thursday, a few showers, scattered thunderstorms in there as well. That goes into early Friday morning. It's already cooler on Friday, 73 degrees with some sunshine by the afternoon. How about this? In the 60s on Saturday and Sunday. Morning lows will be in the 40s, and we should warm into the low to mid 70s by the time we get into the beginning of next week. But what a change. That's a 180-degree change from the 90-degree temperature we had today. By the way, that was the first time we hit 90 in more than 10 months. July 20th was the last time we had a 90-degree reading in Grand Rapids, guys.